Airdrop season 2 is going to be ending very soon, and we are going to be cashing out massively by the time of January 2026. So this basically means that we have more than 2 months to actually farm this token right here. And one thing that makes me sad is that a lot of people are not keen into this. Some people are joking with this Sosovalue airdrop, thinking that it won't cook. They don't realize that in this season 1, during the season 1, Sosovalue airdrop paid people massively. People made massive amount of money from the Sosovalue season 1, and right now a lot of us have opportunity to participate on the season 2, but many people are not taking advantage of it. If you're that type of person who looks at opportunity and do not take it, then I don't know what is wrong with you. So that's the part. Let's focus on the main topic of the day, which is basically how we can be able to connect our wallet. So why are we connecting our wallet? We are connecting our wallet because your reward can only be claimed into the wallet that you connected. So it is very, very important that we connect our wallet to our Sosovalue account, so that during the time when we are going to be claiming our airdrop, which is January, I think, then your reward is going to be sent to your address. And not connecting your wallet could be one of the reasons why some people may not be eligible for this airdrop season 2 at the end. So if you're farming Sosovalue airdrop, then watch the video till the end. Do not skip any part of it, as we are about to unravel how you can be able to locate where you can connect your wallet, and basically how you can be able to connect your wallet. So if you haven't yet started with the Sosovalue airdrop, the link to the Sosovalue airdrop website is going to be right there on the video description box, and also I'll be trying to put the link on the comment section as well. Get started today, and by the time of January, which is when the airdrop is going to be claimable, you are going to be very, very thankful that you saw this type of video. So without wasting time, guys, let's get into the business today. But before we do that, I'm not forgetting that do not forget we have a token giveaway. We basically run token giveaway on this channel. So if you are interested in that, to be part of the token giveaway winners, it is very simple. What you need to do is to go ahead below the video you are watching right now and do this stuff right now. You are going to be seeing this subscription button. Go ahead and click on the subscription button to subscribe to our YouTube channel. This bell is going to be popping up. Click on it and select all, so that whenever I post new video, you'll be the first to know about it. Also go ahead and click on this button right here to like this video you're watching right now. Make sure you share the video to anywhere you want, to your family member, to any DM, anywhere, and finally drop a very nice comment, because from the comment section is where we pick our winners. All right, with that being done, you are basically going to be among the people that are going to be winning Tonecoin, which we announce their winners on the Telegram channel, which is where we basically drop updates back to back. Okay, so going back to the business of the day, this is of course the Sosovalue website. There are a lot of stuff right here, but trust me, it is not complicated. As an airdrop hunter, we are only interested in the airdrop, right? So we are going to be talking about the how to utilize this platform basically, but it is not on this video. We are focusing on the airdrop on this video. So there are a lot of stuff right here, but what I want you to locate is where we have XP. I know you are not going to be seeing it right here on your own screen. You are going to be seeing it basically somewhere down. Okay, you are going to be seeing XP. If you don't see this XP, you are also going to be seeing your profile. But what I need you to do right now, I will talking about this XP later. What I need you to do right now is locate your profile. You can see my profile right here. I will click on it, and when I click on it, you can see all these options are going to be opening up. So I'm not going into my profile, I'm going into account setting. So I need you to click on account setting. You are going to be seeing it at your own end. Just search for it. But for those of you who are not, let me click on it right now. Okay, for those of you who are not using Web3 browser, like basically I'm inside my browser, normal website browser, not actually wallet. So you can do the same thing by copying the link on the video description box, which is of course the the invite link to the website. If you haven't started, but you have started already, just copy the link to their website, open it on your own wallet. That is, if you are using MetaMask wallet. Okay, if you are using MetaMask wallet, copy the link, then open it up on your MetaMask browser section. So once you open it up, then you go ahead and follow my steps so that you can connect your wallet. Okay, so that's what you need to do. So right now, assuming that you have copied the link right now and you have opened your MetaMask app and pasted the link right there, and you are currently right here on the Sosovalue website. This is what you need to do. So what you need to do once you have gotten yourself to this page is to scroll down, and basically right here you can see you can put your image right here, you can set up your username right here, you can put your bio, add your email right here, and over here you can see there are a lot of stuff that you need to connect right here. And over here you can see I've already connected my email. I haven't connected my number because I find it kind of difficult. So, and basically there's no really need for me to do that. So over here I've connected my Google account. I'm using Android device, so I can't connect Apple. So I've connected, I've linked my Telegram, I've linked my Twitter. Now it's only the wallet that I'm about to link right now. Now watch out how I'm going to be doing it. So to be able to do that, simply click on it. Okay, once you click on it, you are going to be required to complete a captcha before you proceed with linking your wallet. All right, so right now captcha is going to be popping up. Just allow it to load up, and in just a moment the captcha is going to be popping up. And once the captcha pops up, you basically solve the captcha, then you proceed on connecting your wallet. It is very, very simple. So right now guys, allow it to verify completely, then we are going to be proceeding from there. Okay, this may take a little time, and trust me, you have to wait for it to load completely. Okay, so okay, we should be done right now. Let me fast forward the video a little bit. Okay, we are done. So I will click on this box right now, and basically that's all I need to do to verify this. So once I've verified this right now, then I'm going to be proceeding with the wallet connection. Just give it a little time. So right now, get a verification code. They are trying to verify your account before you then proceed. I think I've just canceled every. Okay, I'm still on track. So they are going to be sending a code to my email. I simply need to copy the code, then paste it right here. Okay, right now I've just pasted the code immediately, and they have taken me to the next page, which is of course for me to select my wallet. So if you are using OKX wallet, you are still good to go. MetaMask wallet, whichever wallet that you are using, you are good to go, provided that you have full control of the wallet. So right now I will go ahead and select MetaMask, because basically I'm using MetaMask. So I think I selected MetaMask. Why is it opening my OKX? Okay, I will select MetaMask right now. Okay, I've selected MetaMask right now, because basically MetaMask and OKX, if you have both extension on the same browser, sometimes they tend to, you know, do something together, which I don't really understand. So right now we proceed. So you can see right now this is my wallet. I will click on connect, and you can see the connection has been established, and I think that is all you basically need to do. Okay, so I need to sign a signature request. So if people using wallets, this may take a little time to pop up, so just allow it, be patient, and it will pop up on your own. Okay, I will click on confirm right now, and we should be good to go right now. Just give it a little time, and everything will be up right now. Just a little time. Okay, okay, I think we are done. I just need to cancel this. So you can see right now, basically our wallet has been connected right here. This is a very, very important step for you to take, as this is going to allow you stay eligible and be able to claim your token at the end. Remember, we have up to basically 3 months. I can literally say 3 months to farm this token. So if you haven't started, then you have a lot of time to start. So right now, how do you actually farm this token? To farm this token, you are going to be seeing, after creating your own account, you are going to be seeing where they said XP. Click on the XP. Let me round it up right now. So once you click on this XP right now, you can see this is basically what you need to be doing every single day. Every single day, you need to make sure that you have logged in into this website, that it is called checking in. You need to make sure that you check in every single day. Right now, guys, as you check in, you keep on earning XP. And of course, right here, scrolling up right here, you can see you need to like their Instagram post, Twitter post, visit their website, like their X post, and once you are doing all this right now, you are basically earning reward. All right, so coming this side right now, you can see this is where you can get your referral code right here. You can see you can copy your referral link right here, and of course you also have what we call referral code. So while creating an account, you are going to be asked about this referral code. I'll be dropping it also on the comment section. Use my referral code so that we both will be benefiting together. I'll be getting bonus, you will also be getting. So that is basically all you need to know. And there are a lot of cool information about this project, which I'm going to be unveiling, including the Sodex. A lot of them may have heard about Sodex. I'll be talking about that in a bit, but not actually on this video. So this is the Sodex right here. I'll be talking about it, but it's on another video. All right, so this is basically all you need to know right now concerning the Sosovalue airdrop, and of course how you can go about on connecting your wallet. All right, so I believe the video was very insightful. So if you have any question, drop it on the comment section, and if you are just coming across my channel for the first time, please kindly do well to subscribe to our YouTube channel so that we keep on gaining knowledge every single day. Thank you for watching the video, guys, and I'll be talking to you guys on the next update dropping very soon. Peace out, and of course, do have a lovely day.